This is Eric Mother with Mother.com. Similar to the chart analysis I did on Netflix from an educational point of view, we can see that right now, if we take a look at FedEx, and this is Netflix, we can see that the monthly chart looks like it is breaking down. In fact, if we take a look at the longer term monthly chart, there's also another line that we can draw here. So this does need to hold. Otherwise, if this fails, we can expect this to really deteriorate in price. And we can also draw another line from here, something like that. So this line is consistent with this RSI movement in 2009, a major low, before the stock goes on a major run, pretty much mirroring what the general market has done. But now we can see that the two lines, the red and the blue line on the long-term monthly chart, pretty much should give us a big picture anticipation of what the next main and major direction is. So we can see that if we bounce on this line over a period of, in time, if we hold this, then that would suggest prices are going to recover. We also know that if we end up breaking below this level, look out, because there's going to be some more sharp downside. Now, we give you a number to watch, and it is this recent 2019 monthly closing low, and that number is at 153.08, which is this monthly closing high from May 2019. Anything below that, as it is doing right now, does give us, some understanding that this is very risky. The probability of lower prices is very high. Let's not forget that we are also cracking below RSI 38.2 for the first time in a couple of years. And we can see that one of our MACDs is definitely at 3-year lows. Definitely at 3-year lows here on the main MACD. So the risk is there that as long as the stock is trading below 153.08, there's a high risk of lower prices. And again, go back to that big picture. The main lines to watch on the big picture monthly RSI is this line here. Well, let me draw it. Yeah, let's do it. This line here. And also the RSI lows line. If these two lines hold on the RSI, prices should stabilize. If they break, be on the lookout for much lower prices. Again, 153.08 is a level to watch. Eric Muad with Mother.com. Links should be in the description of the video for more information. I am out. Mwah. Boo! Woo-boo!